On behalf of CERN's Director General, I wish you a very warm welcome for this ceremony which marks the laying of the symbolic foundation stone of the CERN Science Gateway project. This new centre for scientific education and outreach for the general public of all ages and all backgrounds will be housed in an emblematic building.
The long journey towards today started in 2017 with a dream and with a vision for a new facility to engage people from across the world into the beauty of science, to share with them our current knowledge of the universe and also the remaining mysteries yet to be solved. And today, that dream and that vision are becoming a reality.
To be here today for the ceremony of the first stone, this is a project which is becoming a reality and one which we are very proud to be associated with as Stellantis.
Genève et le CERN, c'est une histoire d'amour. Ce projet est un magnifique cadeau pour Genève. Le CERN a toujours eu cette attention d'accueillir la population. Ce qu'il va être aussi, au-delà de la porte d'entrée pour le CERN et la science, il va être une porte d'entrée de Genève. Quand on viendra de France pour entrer à Genève sur la route de Mérin, eh bien, ils passeront à travers ce monument.
I see this as a bridge to the future. Making bridges is very, very interesting in any sense. The bridge is going to fly about 6 meters above ground, and we have 5 pavilions connected to the bridge.
Science brings people together. Science shows what humanity can do when we set aside our differences and we focus on the common good. And science brings trust and hope for a better future.
This important moment epitomising CERN's engagement with the public will now be marked by the laying of the Science Gateway's symbolic foundation stone.